Hi, I'm going to give a really short demonstration of the newest feature coming to the Training Arcade, which is an AI question generator for trivia. For those of you who are not familiar with our interface, this is the Training Arcade's admin interface. It lets you create games, and we are currently creating a new trivia game. And so when you go to the Questions tab, there's a new button. Besides adding, like basic questions, you can add additional questions which are AI generated, and you can do this as many times as you want. And so for the sake of time, I've pre-made a prompt, and the intent is that in your prompt, you can be as specific as the topic that you would like. You can provide narrow criteria on how you would like the AI to respond, the kind of content, and how advanced the content should be. And even cooler is that you get to give it references for its answers. So you can really guide the AI in the creation of the content. When you've given it a prompt, you can just say, okay, I want X amount of questions, but in this case, just to keep it simple, I'm just going to do 2 random, 1 multiple choice question type, 1 multiple select question type, and 1 text input. And random is just of these 3. Like, we don't support any other question types at this time. So when you hit generate questions, the AI generator, takes time depending on how many questions you generate. So more questions takes longer. But the cool part is that once it's finished generating, it doesn't just put those questions, in the game like a normal question, adding a normal question would. It gives you an opportunity to actually refine them and regenerate them until you're satisfied with the responses. So as you can see here, it made a multiple choice, a multiple select, another multiple select, and a bunch of text input answers, which there are incorrect answers here, so we're going to skip that one, and the same for this one. So these 3 questions are good questions. I like them. I can choose to regenerate the unselected questions and give the AI another opportunity to generate. And as you can see here, this is a better alternative of a free text input field, and it's even able to decide, hey, what are like common misspellings of the answer, is to make it even more simple. And so I'm going to choose to add that one. And this one, I just don't like Merc and Merc, so I'm just going to choose to add the 4 that I did like to the game. And this is really how it works. I can just keep doing this cycle over and over with different prompts and different requirements and just generate a trivia game as quickly as the AI can make it.